All right, so we are here at the Redstone parking garage in Davenport, Iowa. The real question is, will we find some redstone in here? I think we're a little high for that. I think we need to go mining to find redstone. But anyway, let's see what kind of elevator they have in here. Oh, it's an Otis. So let's go to 4. Well, that was interesting. We also have the bridge that is currently closed, which is sad. So we'll go back down to G. Well, that was amusing.